Hi Seahorses, welcome to Cool Air Part 3, the magic of science. You know I'm always excited to do science with you guys, and today I am doubly, which is a new word, excited for our guest scientist because it's our own principal this week.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here.
Thank
I
you.
have no idea what we're doing today.
Well, I'm going to tell you. So I picked out a couple experiments that I think you may want to take home and do with your family.
Awesome.
So let me tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need a bucket to catch maybe some water. You're going to need some water. So we have a pitcher of water here. You got all this?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to need a mason jar with the lid on it.
Okay.
And we have a laminated card, but if you don't have that at home, just use an index card or something that will cover the top of your jar.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to take our jar, I forgot the most important thing. You need a towel in case you get wet. So this is very important that you have it.
Okay.
You okay?
I am. I'm good.
Okay. All right. So you're going to take your water, and we're going to fill that jar up to the top.
All the way to the top?
All the way to the top.
Tippy top. Okay.
All right. Take your card, put it right on the top here.
Got it.
All right. I'm gonna put your hand on top there, and we're gonna flip it over.
But Miss Marion, what if it spills?
Well, I have a towel. What are you gonna use?
I don't know.
All right. All right. Now, take your hand and take it away. How about that?
So cool.
Isn't that cool? I
Air
love
five.
science. So, do you know why that card is staying on there this week?
I think it has something to do with pressure.
Very good. Air pressure. So there's more pressure of air pushing up on that card than the water pushing down on the card.
Wow.
So now I'm going to do this first, and then you can follow.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this card, and I'm going to slide it very slowly. You got to believe in science here. What? You may need this towel.
Am I doing this now?
Yeah, very slowly.
All right, here we go. Very, very slowly.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Well, I'm going to tell you, I think I forgot to give you something. Do you want to go ahead and look underneath
I
there?
noticed your jar looked a little bit different than mine. Yeah, you've got like a net.
Well, I do have a little net in this week, and I really don't know how I could have forgotten to give you that. So here's yours. It's not a net. It's a piece of screen, so I went over to my neighbor's window. No, I went to Ace Hardware, bought some screen, and I just cut it out, and I just put it right in there. Take it off.
I poked at it, I'm sorry.
Hopefully it'll be all right. Okay. All right, so go ahead and fill your water.
Okay, I'm going to try again.
Go ahead and fill that mason jar back up.
Hold on, now my hand is slippery.
Hope her net's tight enough. Be careful. We may have to redo it.
We might have to redo it. Sorry, I touched. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing again, right?
Yeah, pour a little bit of that out.
A little
See how
out.
that?
Okay.
Yep, we're gonna turn it over.
All right.
Careful.
Trying again.
Trying it in. I'm gonna take it off.
Oh, I didn't do it super slowly.
You're good.
But yes.
You did it.
I did it.
Very nice. So now do you know what's holding that water in that jar, Miss Wheat?
Well, maybe something to do with tension?
You are on fire today too. Let's see. So we have surface tension.
Surface tension.
And cohesion. So surface tension is when the liquid acts as if it has a thin membrane covering it. Or you can think of it as a thin skin covering it. Cohesion is the attraction of similar molecules working together to form that membrane. So in our screen, the molecules are all working together. That's the cohesion to form membranes in all the holes in our screen. Now,
So it's because the holes in the net are small.
Right.
If the holes in the net were bigger, it might not work.
Well, Miss Wheat, we'll touch on that just in a second.
Oh, okay.
Very good, though. Thanks for being ahead of me all the time. Now,
It's
if
to
you
another level. What you can do is use different size screens. Now, this is a lemon bag that I bought at the grocery store, and so it's a little bit wider. And I'm not really sure where I got this screen, but this screen is a little bit wider, so you can use different size screens. You can use different size bottles. And what you can do if you just take this and put a rubber band around it, and again, do your card and flip it over and see if it works. So different size bottles, different size screens, and have a lot of fun with it.
You did great at that last experiment, so thank you very much. The second one, I'm going to actually walk you through it, and then we'll play with it when we're done.
Okay.
So I'm going to try to be tricky. Is this bottle empty or full, Miss Wheat?
I watched your last video, and it has air in it.
That's right, it is full of air. So what you're going to need for this experiment is a bottle. And now we have some 1 liter bottles, and you're going to fill it up with water, and I went ahead and filled it up with you.
Okay.
And I have mine, it's all filled up, and
Don't forget to save those lids. That's 5 cents for our school.
that's an excellent
Coke rewards.
Coke rewards. Okay, so if we had filled this up with water, when we filled it up with water, you wouldn't have seen it, but the air would have left
Come
the
out.
bottle, that's
Okay.
right, and it would fill it up because air takes up space. Now you're going to take one of these Sharpies, and we're going to write, do not open, as thick as you can so we can see it this way. Right one is do not open.
Can I put an exclamation mark?
You can do whatever you want. This is your bottle.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how's it look, Lisa?
Can you read it?
Oh, yours is much better than mine.
Yep.
We see it?
Here's
All right. You're going to take a push pin, and you guys might want to have an adult or your parent help you, and you're going to put 4 or 5 holes down here at the bottom,
Okay.
and try not to squeeze the bottle when you do it.
Okay. I'm gonna put mine on the table. 4 or 5, you say?
Yeah.
Oh. It's kind of hard not to squeeze when I do
That's
a
okay.
second hole. Ah!
Ta-da!
Okay.
Now, why isn't there water coming out of here, Miss Wheat?
Well, I think it's kind of like the net where the holes are small enough so the surface tension is keeping it in.
That's right, and the air can't get in there. Excellent. Now, you don't have to answer this out loud because I don't want to get you in trouble, but is there anybody that at home that would look at this bottle and wouldn't be able to resist to not?
Maybe,
Okay.
yes.
So, as Miss Wheat said, there's surface tension that's keeping the air from coming in. But if we open the bottle, you can get your own bottle. I will let you get your own bottle. And you open the lid a little bit, it allows the air to come in and the water comes out.
Cool, it's like a sprinkler.
Yes, so the air pressure is able to get in there and push down on the water, and again with the help of gravity, push
Uh-huh.
it out. Now maybe someone in your family would say, my mom said not to open this, but they'd probably pick it up and go
Squeeze it.
and
Yeah.
squeeze it.
Mhm. Squeeze it.
Let's get a close-up of the water coming out of the bottle.
I hope you enjoy these experiments. They're
Little trick
simple,
there.
they're very
Wish I
simple
would
to
have
do.
known that for April Fool's Day.
Oh, that would have been a great one. Very good. Now, if you want to try this at home with some, and want to extend on it, use different size bottles. I have a Gatorade bottle, put 20 holes in it, put them on the top. You can do all kinds of things. Just try different things with it. Well, again, thank you so much. I know you're busy for taking the time and helping us out. I had a great time.
Thank you.
And you guys, we love you. We miss you. Stay healthy. We'll see you soon.
Be safe.